Hello, I am Professor Balazar, and I would like to teach you how to pronounce the American English letter L. To pronounce L, place the tip of your tongue against the base of your upper teeth, like this. At the beginning of a word, the letter L is pronounced as a voiced consonant. Raise your head a little to open your throat and force air into your mouth by raising your larynx in your throat. Oh, oh. Practice this sound. Oh, oh. Now, listen to several words that begin with the letter L. Long, lemon, lady, Lucy. Within a word, the letter L is pronounced with air from the lungs, like a vowel. It is pronounced more softly than at the beginning of a word. Listen to the pronunciation of these words. Silver, salt, palm, below. At the end of a word, L is also pronounced with air from the lungs, but it is pronounced even longer. Listen to these words that end with the letter L. Sail, ill, bill, vowel. I wish you happy L pronunciation.